Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own FTP server on Windows 11. Whether you want to transfer files across devices or host a small personal file server, this guide has you covered, step by step and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, let's enable the FTP feature. Open the control panel, go to Programs, and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Expand Internet Information Services. Under that, make sure FTP Server and FTP Service are checked. Also, under Web Management Tools, make sure IaaS Management Console is checked. Click OK and let Windows install the necessary files. After you click OK, an installation progress bar will open up. Mine is already installed. That is why there is no installation progress bar. Reopen the control panel or back up to the main window of the control panel. Change the view by Option to Small Icons, then click on Windows Tools. In the window that opens, double-click on Internet Information Services IaaS Manager. Under the Connections panel on the left, expand your computer name, right-click on Sites and choose Add FTP Site. Give your FTP site a name, like My FTP Server. Then choose or create a folder on your computer where the files will be stored. Click Next. On the binding page, keep the IP address as all unassigned or select your computer's local IP. Keep the port as 21. For SSL, choose No SSL for simplicity, but keep in mind for secure file transfers, you should enable SSL with a certificate later. Click Next. Under Authentication, choose Basic. For authorization, choose Specified Users and enter your Windows username. Select the read and write permissions so you can upload and download files. Click Finish. Now let's allow the FTP server through the firewall. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then click Allow an app through Firewall. Find FTP server in the list and make sure it's allowed for both private and public networks. Click OK. I will just allow for private for now myself. To test it out, open File Explorer on another machine and type this in the address bar FTP plus the IP address where the FTP server is running. Enter your Windows username and password when prompted twice, and you should see the contents of your FTP folder. Make sure your firewall or other computer and router allows traffic on port 21 for external access. And that's it. You've now set up a fully working FTP server on your Windows 11 machine. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.